Ayan, nagsiswimming. Ayun yung dalawa. Guys, yan parang magre-racing. Wow. They're doing the racing. Ayan, nandito na ako sa may tulay, the bridge. This is the bridge. And that's it. Yan. Nung dati kasi, hindi ko yan na ano siya. Ngayon.